Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the fbconnect library is missing sdk.js error on Windows 10 PC. So first of all, open Google Chrome browser. After opening Chrome, click on these three dots. Now in here click on settings. Now scroll down and click on advanced. Now friends, you have to send a do not track request with your browsing traffic, so you have to turn off this feature. You should turn off by toggling into off position, and after that so close it and restart your PC. So I hope by this easy and very simple method this error will be fixed. So friends, please comment what's your experience and this video is work for you or not. Please subscribe this channel for latest update. Thanks for watching this video.